Oh my god, I've arrived. Maya is indeed 15 minutes late, but I wouldn't expect anything less. I were quite concerned when she said that she would be on time, so I'm like shaking, I'm so excited. Yeah, that's the one.
I think I should have heard about her last week. What do you want?
I'm looking at it. That is mental. I'm stuck. Oh, it broke.
Oh, stop! And he did it as is. I'm honestly gonna kick your face right in.
Boy, what the hell, boy? We're going out.
We're going out. We're going out.
We're doing buzz balls.
Where do we got these three? Where do we?
My way. Thanks. Strawberry Rita.
Strawberry Rita. Cocktails.
Tequila Rita.
Tequila Rita.
I'm gonna do these ones first though, because if we're gonna yak it up.
Yeah, I feel like these are gonna be just straight up nasty.
Yeah. We're doing a TikTok on Maya's.
Take a shot and make a TikTok.
But yeah, basically, so the idea behind this was, we keep seeing them on TikTok, don't we?
Yeah,
of
like Americans.
Americans. And obviously it's a thing that British people can outdrink Americans.
Yeah, it's like I've got a bit of a better tolerance.
So we're just like, surely it's not that bad.
Yeah,
but
I mean,
these ones we might actually end up yakking up because the milkshakes.
I saw a video, didn't we, the other day, and there was like one American, I was like, one of them, and I'm blacked out.
Yeah, and we were howling. We were like, no, there's no. So this is to prove it wrong.
Yeah, so if we do black out though, you'll never see this
I
video.
was literally gonna say we will never. I won't include this.
Like, is that filming? No.
No.
Is it like Baileys?
I was literally gonna fucking say that.
Oh, we did.
Oh.
I feel like I need to burp.
Fight milk.
Very nice.
I believe in a thing called love. Just listen to the rhythm of my heart.
I believe in a thing called love. Just listen to the rhythm of my heart. Oh!
Veronica's last one, as you can tell, we're very much ready and rearing to go.
I already had one of these, but I bought two because I know anyone loves.
So by the time I've chugged this, Maya's going to have chugged those two. 2, 1.
Tequila Rita! That's good.
That's nice.
We can do a sip. That is disgusting.
That's the worst fucking thing I've ever had in my mouth and I've had to.
Okay. From just come out. We were a lot late. I don't want to be in that.
Spoons.
Spoons. Room. Sorry.
Okay, so
You want to look ream?
be ream.
Smell ream.
We've just been through this, and now
It's good.
so now there's a bunch of pubs. So guess where we're going?
Tits.
Pubs.
Well, that was fucking dreadful.
My bitch pose is nasty.
But what the hell, boy? And I've got to say, in all honesty, it's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Check this out. Mommy milkers, big mommy milkers, big huge milkers, and huge big milkies.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the night out?
It was honestly like an 8. 8.5 at most.
Without the groping?
A 5.
7.
The next morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Pookies. Yeah, mine's head's pounding. As you can tell, my throat's killing me. But my mum's just come in and asked if we want a McDonald's. And it's before breakfast, so we are going to get McDonald's breakfast. My earring broke. Not happy about it, but yeah. So see you at McDonald's, Pookie Pies. Hey motherfuckers! Hey motherfuckers!
Huh?
Come on, I'll put that 2 fuckers down.
Hey! I got my feet in that for free.
No, it's not for free. What for it to do? I thought this was like a. I thought it was like a roast, like healthy shot. It's not. It's beef. Oh, it's. I thought it said beef. Beef balance. We're at through Bellingham. Through Bellingham. We're at the Pilates class. Right there. The poultry class.
I'm tipping my foot for you. Are you filming? I thought you just got the torch on. Look at your huge hole or something in the dark.
Huh? The next day.
Okay, hi, hello. We've just been to the co-op.
Yeah.
We were supposed to be going to. Right, this is really annoying me. This is gonna have to do. We're meant to be going to a car boot, but we saw what time it opened. We didn't think to check what time it closed, so we missed it. But we're going to charity shops anyway.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do now.
Look for the fire. Oh.
And then flapjack. Caramel and
Show us your
chocolate
flapjack.
Show us your flaps, Jack.
Not actually.
So charity shops were a fail, but we found outfits
From what we had in the house.
from what we already had
in my
in
underbed.
Maya's wardrobe under a boob, and then
Oh,
you're really cute.
thank you. Excuse the radiator, it's all bad.
We were gonna say excuse the rabies. We're doing some yaddies.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're supposed to be out in 2 hours,
yeah,
but
we're
I
gonna
want
do
to
some
tattoos.
so.
Priorities. It's not a good sign. I swear to fucking God, after all the shit this morning, and then if these go bad, oh, I'm getting mad.
She's looking good. This is about 2 layers worth.
Don't say shit
about the step of
bleak.
So the time is like 5, quarter
Yeah,
to,
like 10 to 5.
we planned on being out by 5.
Yeah.
So this is
Dug Mel's.
oh mine. Oh, let me flip. This is mine. This is her. This is she. It's been a long
it's
time
not going
since
to
you.
This is her. This is the girl. Whoa, whoa, yeah.
Look at Maya's.
Shut up.
Shut the fuck up, right?
Here comes the sun. It's like right the BBQ, but like I've got all this empty space here, but then I don't want it too like filled. But that is just an awkward empty space. But I don't know if I like that there.
So we said about doing about 3 or 4
See
at the same time.
Yeah, like probably do something there, like a different one, and like make it more of a complete thing.
So by the end of the week, that will
We
be
will have
done.
matching tattoos.
But yeah, we're gonna get ready now.
More. We are wedding princesses.
We finally made it out, princesses.
At literally like 5:05, like we wanted to.
Guys, honestly, we were aiming for what, 6:30?
My brow is.
3 lines on a shirt. Chin chin, chin chin.
Bless you. Cheers! Cheers! We like to drink with my eyes, not mate. Lads, I'm sorry, I've got my fucking bars of fucking Corona. I'm on the edge of my seat. 1-0 up, I'm sad, my morale is down, they've just scored again. They've scored, full stop. We turned into Phil fucking Mitchell. I nearly threw my bars of fucking Corona everywhere. I nearly spat on everyone's faces, it's crazy. The atmosphere is electric. We're not going to have a voice in the morning for shizzle.
I've conquered all the chippies. I'm never gonna stop. Chips and peas and gravy. I've had a lot. Pepperoni pizza and chicken vindaloo. I'm a big fat 'cause I love my food. Ale, ale, ale.
Guys, she's trying to fucking kill me. Just taking this bastard off. I thought, but just my tip. Ow! Stop laughing. No, but guys, I'm pretty sure I got spiked or something. And and I literally was so drunk last night. I was in the bathroom, I was on the bathroom floor as you do, and I tried to get up, but obviously it wasn't working out too great, so I grabbed onto the door to help myself up the door, and I now have, can you see the big fat bump there? And I had the fattest nosebleed as well.
Yeah, it were a big fat
I was
nosebleed.
bleeding everywhere.
There were tears, there were blood, and there were lumps.
I thought I was
That
going to
was just
die. I
my
was like,
shit.
that's it, I'm going to die! It's like a bandage. Bandage.
Fuck off a bandage.